In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills with a check in Xero. If you're managing your business finances through Xero, you'll find it quite convenient to handle bill payments right within the software. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once you're comfortably inside, it's time to get down to business. You'll want to navigate to the business menu. This path will lead you to a variety of financial options available at your fingertips. From all these options, go ahead and choose Bills to Pay. You'll find this tucked neatly under the Business tab. It's essentially your hub for managing any outstanding bills. Next, you'll want to specifically view the bills that are waiting patiently for your payment. Click on the option labeled Awaiting Payment. This section will unveil a list of all the bills that are currently due. Now take a moment to scroll through this list to identify the bill you wish to clear. By clicking on your bill of choice, you'll bring up all the details associated with this specific financial obligation, allowing you to verify it before moving forward. With your bill selected, you're now ready to make the payment. Look for the Make Payment option and give it a click. Since our focus today is on paying by check, select the check option for your payment method. With that done, proceed by clicking Continue to move forward to the next step. At this juncture, you'll need to select the bank account from which the check will be issued. Your goal here is to choose the relevant bank account linked within Xero, ensuring it's the correct one for the payment you're processing. Remember, it's also crucial to add a check number at this point. This will help in keeping all your records well organized and easy to track. After you've selected the bank account and entered the check number, go ahead and click OK to confirm these details. It's always a wise practice to double-check everything before finalizing. Scrutinize the details such as the Pay To section, address, date, and the exact amount. This extra caution helps avoid any potential hiccups in the payment process. Xero also offers the option to export the check. This feature can be particularly useful if you're keen on maintaining comprehensive paper records or if you need to share check details externally. Consider making use of this if it suits your current bookkeeping needs. Lastly, you have a choice to make. You can click Save and Print if you're already set to print the check right away. Alternatively, choose Save if you prefer to just log the record in Xero for now and print it later when convenient. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to pay your bills with a check using Xero. It's a straightforward process that helps streamline managing your finances efficiently. Remember, accurate and timely payments are crucial for maintaining good relationships with your vendors. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting with Xero.